Hello, my name is Gareth Evans. I'm a Senior Organisational Development Manager working for Betsi Cadwaladr University Health Board. So we are a very large integrated health board in North Wales, serving a population of around 750,000 people. That grows to around 1 million in the summertime, with a staff of around 22,000 in total. And we are, like I was saying, an integrated health board, so we cover all of the services from primary care right through to specialist services, mental health and learning disabilities, secondary care, all the variety really. So yes, a really kind of comprehensive mix of services and staff. So we decided to partner with WorkInConfidence following some internal reviews of our, at the time, Raising Concerns platform. We had an internal platform that supported staff to raise concerns of a public interest disclosure nature, to whistleblow in other words. But we found from speaking to staff and from kind of the reviews of services that it really didn't meet the standard that we were looking for. It didn't provide that kind of full assurance of anonymity. And through conversations with colleagues in other health boards in Wales, we were recommended WorkInConfidence, and we then followed that up with a conversation with the team and made the decision to go ahead. And it was that whole thing around the anonymity and the ability to engage in kind of two-way conversations with a member of, I suppose, a team of managers that really kind of sold the platform to us. We've been working with the platform now since July of this year, so probably about 6 months in total now. And at the moment, we are concentrating primarily on the protect element, so the raising concerns aspect itself. And that's already proven really successful. So we've had more referrals and conversations into WorkInConfidence already in this first 6 months than we had in the first 2 years of the previous platform that we had. So it clearly meets a really important need. So I think there's something really important about staff feeling able to speak up and speak out. And I think WorkInConfidence offers, as I've said before, in terms of the anonymity, that ability to raise your concerns and to know that there are people who will receive those concerns and take them seriously. I think that has a profound impact on well-being, on confidence in the organisation, on that sense of psychological safety. And I think that in itself contributes to how we change culture and improve services and practices. So for our Speak Out Safely Guardians, it provides another really great way of engaging with staff. So our guardians are on the platform, they're available for staff to use for conversations, and we include our guardians in the promotion of WorkInConfidence. And I think it just extends their reach into the organisation, and for that sense, it's been received with real positivity. So in terms of unexpected outcomes, it's just that thing, isn't it, about learning from staff what the kinds of concerns are that are out there, where staff feel able to give voice to concerns, and perhaps where they've not been able to do that until they get the opportunity to do so anonymously. And I think that is really rich learning for us as an organisation in terms of the work that we're already doing as an organisational development team, but more broadly around culture and improvement. So I think that is, it's perhaps not a wholly unexpected outcome, but it's a really important one. So the WorkInConfidence team have been superb. So when we were first engaging in the conversations, they were there to support us with all the work that we had to do around information governance and IT security protocols. And then subsequent to that, once the contract was signed, they've been really great in providing us with a communication plan and that kind of as and when needed access. So Neil, Ula and the team have just really been there for us. and it's been a great working relationship to this point. So we've gone for a bit of a mixed media communications plan. So we've shared information through our corporate communication channels on our social media platforms, but we've also done some old-fashioned kind of posters and promotion in work areas as well. And I guess it's that kind of range because we have such a large workforce, many of whom don't have access to digital platforms and email. So we've kind of gone for, like I say, that mix of different types of media. So the team are great. I've had a lot of personal contact with Neil and Ula and the team, and they are just there on hand when you need them. So I am somebody that comes with a lot of questions about the kind of the capabilities of the platform, and also around opportunities to kind of co-design and co-develop with the team, new and emerging kind of functions. And they've just kind of embraced that and worked with us and supported us, wherever we've needed. So that's been really great. At the moment, like I was saying before, we've concentrated on protect, but we've also got access to the understand and learn feature with the surveys and the polls, and the share and excite aspects around the receiving ideas from staff and the discussion boards. And there are plans to work with our kind of colleagues across different functions in the organisation to make the best use. So we've started to use some of the surveys in terms of getting feedback on the work of our guardians, and now we want to kind of take that forward and link in with some of the transformation work that's ongoing in the organisation and make full use of the platform. So there's something about taking time to think about the purpose that you're trying to achieve. I think there's something about having that brave conversation about, if you're going to ask the question and invite people to offer you their answers, do you have the capacity and the willingness to listen and then do something about what you're told? The other bit that we found really useful in Betsi Cadwaladr is to work very closely with our trade union partners, our staff networks, and any of our staff support services to make sure that what we're doing is joined up, it's collaborative, and it kind of works right across all of the different parts of the organisation that will help make this a success.